Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own Instagram GIFs just like this. Let's get into it. The first step is to record yourself doing some sort of movement. It works best if you wear contrasting colors between you and the background. The second step is to go onto unscreen.com and upload your video. Once your GIF has been made, you have the option to keep it transparent or to choose an assortment of backgrounds they provide. Let's go on and choose my personal favorite, the carousel. Next, download the GIF and bring it into your phone. Open Instagram and create a new story. I'm gonna make my background black so you can see the GIF clearer. Then go into your photos and copy the GIF that you just made. Go back onto Instagram and the sticker option should pop up. Paste it and you're done. Now that you learned how to do it, the possibilities are endless. I learned that the crazier the movements, the better. If you enjoyed the tutorial today, don't forget to like and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Thank you and see you next time.